Some of the biggest things holding you back aren't loud. They don't scream. They creep in silently, like a shadow that drains you without warning. And the truth? If you don't cut them out, they'll eat away at your peace, your focus, and your future. So today, I'm giving you 10 things you must quietly eliminate. And once you do, your whole life will feel lighter. Let's go. 1. The disease of people-pleasing. Saying yes to everything is just betraying yourself. You don't need to show up for every invite, every call, or every person who drains you. Stop breaking your own boundaries just to keep someone else comfortable. The moment you start saying no, your lungs finally breathe. 2. Overthinking every decision. You could waste an hour debating what shoes to wear. Overthinking isn't intelligence, it's fear in disguise. It pretends to solve problems, but only multiplies them. The fix? Start choosing fast, even on small things. Build that muscle. Life doesn't reward hesitation, it rewards action.
3. Fake urgency. Not every message needs a reply in 5 minutes. You're not a call center. Most urgent things solve themselves if you give them time. Stop being addicted to the ping, the buzz, the fake emergencies. Protect your focus like it's gold, because it is. 4. Energy vampires. Some people only show up when their world is falling apart. They drain, they take, and they vanish when you need them. You don't need a farewell speech. Just exit quietly. Disappear like smoke. Peace is expensive, and you can't afford to waste it on people who live off your energy. 5. The trap of comparison. Scrolling, scrolling, scrolling. Watching highlight reels that make your real life feel small. Stop poisoning yourself with fake flexes and staged lifestyles. Mute, unfollow, detach. Your lane is yours alone, and you'll never win if you're staring sideways. 6. The victim role. Life hits you, I get it, but staying down is a choice. Every time you rehearse the story of how unfair things are, you're writing yourself into a tragedy instead of a comeback. Shift the script. You're not the victim, you're the hero. 7. Clutter you don't see. Your phone screaming with notifications, your desk buried in junk, your mind flooded with tabs you'll deal with later. Noise everywhere. Clutter isn't harmless. It trains your brain to live in chaos. Start deleting. You'll notice how free your head feels.
8. Explaining yourself. Why do you keep justifying your moves to people who don't pay your bills, don't live your life, and won't walk in your shoes? Cut it out. Every explanation is currency. Spend it only on people who matter. 9. Pointless arguments. You don't need to debate everyone. Someone thinks the earth is flat? Great, let them cruise off the edge. Every argument you waste energy on steals time from building your empire. Peace is greater than winning debates. 10. The someday lie. I'll start when I'm ready. Spoiler, you'll never feel ready. Most people die with their best ideas still locked in their heads because they waited for perfect timing. Do it ugly, messy, imperfect today. Progress beats perfection every single time. Life doesn't get better by adding more. It gets better by cutting away what doesn't serve you. When you start eliminating quietly, everything shifts. Your focus sharpens, your confidence grows, and people won't even recognize the new version of you. Remember, a sword becomes sharp not because of what was added, but because of what was carved away. Your life works the same way. Start carving today. And listen, if this video spoke to you, hit that subscribe button and join the tribe. Because around here, we don't just survive life, we rebuild it quietly and powerfully.